Hello, welcome to the HC Programming channel. Subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get notified of the latest videos from us. HTML5, Chapter 2, Doctypes. Doctypes, short for document type, help browsers to understand the version of HTML the document is written in for better interpretability. Doctype declarations are not HTML tags and belong at the very top of a document. This topic explains the structure and declaration of various doctypes in HTML. Section 2.1, Adding the doctype. The doctype declaration should always be included at the top of the HTML document, before the HTML tag. Section 2.2, HTML5 Doctype. HTML5 is not based on SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language, and therefore does not require a reference to a DTD, Document Type Definition. HTML5 Doctype Declaration. Doctype HTML. Case insensitivity. A doctype must consist of the following components, in this order: a string that is an ASCII case-insensitive match for the string doctype. Therefore the following doctypes are also valid. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and activate the bell so you get notifications for the latest videos from us. Look forward to the next video and see you later.